This set's going to have everything you need to make you a nice brew of coffee. It's going to be very fresh, natural, and easy to do as well. The grinder goes 1 to 5, 1 being the finest. Pop that off. High quality reusable strainer goes right there. Coffee grounds. Now we're going to slowly pour the hot water over these grounds. And it's even got a little carrying handle right here, so you don't, because this is obviously hot. And you got the freshest cup of natural coffee you're ever going to have. You can take this can with you on the go or anything like that. No electricity required. Comes with a scale as well. I don't really use the scale though. It's good.